If you're looking for something to do this weekend, head on down to the National Home Show happening at the Enercare Centre. Right now I'm with Angela from Lakeshore Designs, and we are in front of a beautiful show home. This is absolutely spectacular, Angela.
It is. It's almost miraculous how they build this beautiful dream home right inside, but when you go in, it's even better.
Okay, let's go inside and take a look. Wow, this is stunning. Luke, watch your step.
Yeah, isn't this fabulous? So Bonneville is the builder of this, and they're a Quebec company, and they've curated this beautiful design, which is open concept. The details in it, I love the high ceilings.
Me too, and the beams.
Yeah, like see those nice wood details. They've done a nice matte finish in the darker tones. They've done a lot of that nice mixed textures with wood detail, added it on their countertops. They've put some nice details into their handles with the gold. So I like how they mix the finishes.
They did, but it still has that clean line, which is so nice. So when you were designing the interior or putting together all of the finishings, you kind of followed that same path.
Yes, they had a beautiful vision for this, and we wanted to just kind of work with that they had. We worked with the nice neutral tones because as you can see in the furnishings, complementing the color story, so that the accent furniture plus right down to the counter stools, we went very neutral, tone on tone.
I love that.
Punched it up with a little gold, which really gives it some life. And like, what a great entertaining space.
I know, it's really perfect.
I love the modern textures too. See that?
I love the neutral tone, but yes, hints of modern with the lights and the tiny little finishings on the cabinets.
So this is a 2-bedroom, and it's like there's 3 bathrooms in it. Love this waterfall island and how it just covers over here. There's a great pantry, a laundry room, powder room, and then the 2 bedrooms with en suites.
Funny, from the outside, it really doesn't look that large.
I know, that's what I said. It's miraculous how this is here on this property, which is great. And then they also have a garden suite. It's like a laneway home.
I love that.
Yeah, it's gorgeous too. It's a nice, whether, you know, the old days of the bunkie, but now they've gone to coach homes and laneway homes. And you can see across that it complements the main building here that Bonneville built.
And it's starting to become quite popular with people, like doing kind of like an in-law suite, but, you know, making it an alleyway home.
Well, yeah, with the housing crisis, plus students and young family members or later in-laws, it's nice that this can be there. You can add it to your property. It's a nice color texture. It's modern details with the nice black details here. And the color story, I think, works really well.
I think so too. Are there any other features you think we must see?
Definitely the bathrooms. I like the European feel on the bathrooms here. If you can sneak down the hallway, you can pop in there. They've done a really nice, like if you wanted a basement, this is where the stairs would go. So when you come down here, you can see this is one of the bedrooms. This here is a nice makeup counter as you come through into the next bedroom.
Oh, wow.
This one I love. This is very stunning, very bright, large bedroom. This is a king-size bed, which is great for a 2-bedroom space. And Bonneville does custom homes too. Right. So they can build whatever you like.
Give you exactly
as you turn around, look at this great little bathroom. Love this. The brightness, the mixture of woods.
I love the gold.
Yeah, the gold just acts a nice little pop in there.
Oh yeah, beautiful. Okay, well, our tour of the National Home Show is going to continue at Enercare Centre, so don't go anywhere on Morning Live. The National Home Show happening right now. This weekend is the very last weekend to get down here to the Enercare Centre to check out all of the amazing products that they have featured here for home buyers or for new home buyers, potential home buyers. If you're in the market for a new home, we are talking to the perfect person. We've got Sam from ReMax here at the head office. You guys are excited to be here.
We're super excited, and we've actually sponsored and partnered with the National Home Show for 8 years now. Wow. So we love seeing all the homeowners come through upon thousands and thousands at every exhibit. So it's great to see.
Now, what does the market look like? Because we know we've gone up and down, up and down, up and down. What does it look like for this year?
You know what? Positive. It's looking really positive. Canadians are optimistic about the outcome for the market for 2023. They're looking forward to seeing that balance come back. Yeah, it's important that that they're going to be working with those real estate agents that'll help them guide them through those markets.
Are there trends that buyer and sellers are looking for, are going towards? I mean, we just walked through this beautiful home. Are these the kind of trends? I mean, this alleyway home is shocking to me.
Yeah, I think that's a really popular topic right now. That the laneway homes and garden suites. So it's really exciting to see it in person. And so I think you saw it when you walked through with Angela. That once you see it in person, I think it gets people excited. They want to talk to their real estate agent. They want to talk to professionals like Angela and to see what the possibilities are for them. So it's really important to come to something like the National Home Show, where you can actually see it in person and get a feel for it yourself.
Now, do you have any strategies that you would share for those interested in selling their homes this year?
Yeah, I think, the wonderful special thing about real estate is that people are always going to need to buy and sell homes.
Yes, absolutely.
People are getting married, they're having kids.
They need to upgrade, they need to downgrade.
Exactly. Kids are leaving, maybe they're bringing in their mom and dad back home to live with them. So having, strategies like this in place and having your real estate agent help you walk you through what that option could be. And again, if you're a first-time home buyer looking to get into the market, there's no better time except when you feel like it's the best time for you. So
would you say that's the best advice you would give somebody that's looking to enter the market in 2023? Like maybe not even a first home buyer, but somebody that's bought a home, sold a home, moved in with their parents again. Because that seems to be happening quite a lot.
It is.
And then kind of moving back out on their own. Yeah,
you know what? The advice, everyone wants to talk about real estate. Everybody has a piece of advice. You sit around the dinner table, your uncle's telling you something, your dad's telling you something. So the best thing to do is reach out to a real estate professional. Also coming to, coming to shows like this and speaking with builders and with designers, I think is key, so that you can get an informed decision about when the right time is for you to buy or to sell.
Amazing, and come and talk to Sam, because she knows her stuff, and you can come and check out some of these beautiful homes right here at the National Home Show. We have made our way to the Ontario Flower Growers, and Jack is joining us now at the National Home Show. This is such a hit of spring, Jack. It is beautiful over here. I know people come here just for this.
That's right. Thank you, Emily. This is a great show. We are Ontario Flower Growers. We don't sell to the public. We do sell to flower shops, we sell to garden centers, nurseries, we sell to wholesalers. That's what we do on a regular basis.
Landscaping companies?
Yeah, some of those as well. Yeah. And we have a flower auction.
Oh, tell me about that.
So we are a co-op. So in 1972, we started this, or 63 growers started this co-op, and the majority came from Europe. And they started this co-op to get as many flowers into the business's hands. Right? So to one location. And this location started in Mississauga. And so in Holland they have the Dutch auction. So it starts from a high price to a low price. And then the buyer will set the price between those two prices.
I got it.
So just like as in Holland, in Aalsmeer, they have the same thing here in Mississauga.
Okay, that's really neat. You've got a wide selection. I mean, you've got different plants for different parts of the garden per se?
Well, these are not garden flowers.
No, these are
indoor.
orchids. Most of these are indoor.
The majority what we put on the market is for indoor.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Yes, and but this is all Ontario grown. So what you see is all Ontario grown here.
Wow.
Yep.
I could not keep an orchid alive to save my life.
It's fairly easy.
It's not.
It's fairly
easy.
It's not. Yes, it is.
I have had probably 5 in my lifetime, and I've given up at the point. I'm like, oh, you put a little ice cube in them, you do this, you don't water them, they don't like this, they're picky flowers,
Jack.
You
have to talk to them nicely. That's what you have to do.
So you're just saying
water them a little bit.
I'm too mean to my orchids?
No issue at all, no.
Okay, so you don't sell to the public, but if people come down here to the home show,
yes,
they can purchase.
Yes, absolutely. We have great prices, we have great products. It's all Ontario grown by our growers, and come on down. It's awesome. This is what we do.
Yeah, this is amazing, and it's so pretty, and I think it's what people need right now. Is
absolutely.
We're tired of winter, we're tired of the cold, we're tired of looking at snow. So come on in here, check out the National Home Show with Jack, celebrating 50 years, you guys. That's amazing.
Yeah, we're pretty proud of that.
I bet.
It's been really good.
Well, coming up, we're going to do some DIY do it yourself, they tell me, Jack. So make sure you stay with us for that.
I'm not that good with that. I'm good with flowers. I'm not good with the, no.
Okay, we'll leave you here and then we'll go check it out.
All right, Emily, thank you so much.
Lots more coming up on Morning Live. Here at the National Home Show, I've been joined by Jordan Spear, who is an independent contractor that gets hired by the show to actually show homeowners how to do renovations safely, properly. If you have any questions, these are the guys that you can come and talk to, and you're going to get me to do some stuff.
You're doing it. This is the whole point of the DIY Center, to get people hands-on with the tools, and we'll show you how to do the renovations.
Okay, I'm a little scared. What are we starting off with?
We're going to start off over here with the sliding compound miter saw.
Oh, it gives me the biggest saw in the room. That's cool. No big deal.
So we'll grab a piece of wood here.
Okay.
All right, so this is a sliding compound miter saw. What it allows you to do is safely cut your trim or other pieces of wood. There's no guessing on angles. It has preset angles already built into the saw.
That's amazing.
So we're gonna go with a 45 today.
Okay.
No guessing, it stops right on 45. We got our safety glasses on,
Most
which is
important
very
thing.
important. And also, we're leaving with the same amount of fingers we came in with, so nowhere near the blade, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna keep our hand here nice and tight with the wood.
Okay.
And we're gonna come down and cut through the saw.
Okay.
Okay?
I can do this.
All right.
Yeah, DIY, here I go. All right. Now, do I start the saw up here or down
Start
further?
up there.
Okay.
And then gently go down.
Did I do it? Oh, look at that.
Excellent job. All right, so step 2.
Okay.
Little trick of the trade here.
Yeah?
Instead of trying to put these pieces of trim, say up around our window frame,
Okay.
trying to hold them all together,
Yeah.
let's pre-assemble them first.
Smart.
So we're gonna use this Instant Bond CA glue.
Okay.
and we're
Oh,
gonna-
see, now when we talked before, you said I was going to put the glue on, but you changed your mind after I threatened to stick my fingers
yep,
together.
Yep, that's okay. Here, I'm gonna hold that.
Okay.
You're gonna spray this end.
Okay.
Now that's an activator
What's this? This is an activator for the glue?
for the glue, that's right.
Okay.
And then we're gonna hold it for 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Now, you guys have been coming here for a while, I'm assuming.
A
to the
while.
home show.
This is probably my 6th or 7th year doing this.
And you find the same people kind of come back and be like, so you remember last year in my kitchen, I was trying to do this trim and
We
this
do have some repeat customers, so to speak. But yeah, no, it's always a great time. Again, you don't necessarily have to be hands-on with the tools.
Yep.
Come in with your questions, either design, renovation, we got you covered.
That's
we got 2
amazing.
contractors and a designer on site, all free of charge, free
That is
knowledge.
so great. I love that free knowledge. All right, are we stuck?
All right, we are stuck together.
Okay.
So now we're gonna take our trim and you're gonna do this.
Okay.
I'm gonna slide on this side of you.
It's a big tool. Oops, sorry.
I'm gonna slide over here.
Okay.
We're gonna kind of line that up.
And I'm going to put my hand here.
That works. That
Okay.
looks good
And
enough.
where do I point? Like right that, like that?
I would say that looks like a great spot.
And then I just pull the trigger?
Pull the trigger. All right, and let's throw another one, say over
Did
here.
something go in there?
There's a tiny little brad nailer. So this is a cordless brad nailer.
Oh.
No compressor, super easy to use.
Over here?
That's about good. I'm gonna move my finger once
Yeah.
you get there.
Yeah. Okay. This is so easy.
So easy. And with
Wow.
all these cordless tools that we have, you don't have to plug things in. You don't need compressors.
That's amazing.
It's really, really fantastic.
Okay, well, thanks, Jordan.
You're quite welcome.
You were
Thanks for coming by.
Super knowledgeable. Come on down to the National Home Show. This is the last weekend for it. You can get all of your DIY questions answered by the professionals, free of charge. Come on in, check it out. It's been a lot of fun.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.